say the work of the ovary is to produce the cells known as ovum when they are one and there are many produced in the ovary. Then you have the fallopian tube, which is also known as the oviduct. This is where fertilization takes place. Once the ovum has been released, one ovum is released here. When it comes here, it stays for a while waiting for the male sex cells. If it does not happen, then that is what's called the menstruation. It will comes out in form of blood. We have the model here. Up here we have the lungs. And I want to make this one clear. Lungs is not part of the circulatory system. It is just a supportive organ. Then we have on the side, you can see this one written PV. That is the pulmonary vein. Down here we have the heart. Then from the heart here, down here we have this one written. That is aorta. It's called what? Epidermis. The epidermis, and it has glands. Then further, because you are meeting it again, further, the upper section or the upper part, the epidermis, is divided into how many layers? 3. And just add words for example. It has conified, the uppermost one, this one you see, we call it conified layer, followed by granular layer, followed by Malpighian layer. Sweat produced by the sweat gland passes out of the body through the sweat duct. Inakuja hapa juu to smoothen the skin and make it waterproof. Blood vessels, they supply blood to the skin. Mwalimu, hapa tuelewane mwalimu. Na wewe nisikize mwalimu, hapa tuelewane. Hapa tuelewane. I have seen them. The danger I have seen mwalimu, they should understand this is a model. This is not the real. A model represents what is real. It is the color pigment, we call them, let me put it in quotes, the color cells which are found melanin. For my church is here. Ameuliza hii. This is the color pigments. These are color pigments. It shows their color kind of, let me just call them color cells for somebody to understand. Found in the Malpighian layer. They are located here. They are the ones that determine the color of the skin. The moment you see the smoke here, you have succeeded. There we go. Look, we have said this is not smoke. This is smoke. It is rising up through a method we call convection. Produce for us sound one at a time. I don't know how to do this. One at a time. Do it now. 3 times. The second pass. The third pass. I do it. of you too. Blow a whistle. You see a mirror facing you? Yes. And there's another mirror here. 2 mirrors. One here, another one here. Application of reflection. So, these mirrors that are placed there, if the mind I'm going to scale, this angle that is there and this one, and this one, and this one, if well brought to scale, the mirrors are placed at the angle of 45. Brings the image into rough. Yeah. So you can see when I'm doing that, I'm moving the body to see what is happening. So you bring the image into rough. Then there is this small one known as fine adjustment. No, what's the function?
The functions I'm doing?
Yes. Again. It helps to bring the image into a shape. Focus. You can also remove it. Then the garnish there. This one is known as glass tube. You have a source of heat, then you heat it. As you are heating it, you have this paper. You will not, and you can see, look at them. Yes. He said you rate the vapor from whatever you are separating. Glass is easy to make. You have to 6 times, you have your 6 marks. Yes. I'm just used to measure Newton degree. Seven, they might end up asking you this question.